morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. Today we're gonna do a clean with me, but it's gonna be the entire family cleaning. The house is a disaster, and the good thing is all of them are home from school because yesterday it snowed, so they get a snow day. And I'm still on my fast, so my energy is a little bit low, and I'm gonna get out of breath really fast, so bear with me. We're gonna clean from top to bottom, and we're gonna do laundry as well and put away everything so that when the husband come home, the house is spanking clean. So stay tuned for that. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice, and today's video is going to be a clean with me the entire house. It is so messy in this house, and I don't know how it gets this way. It's just over time I just kind of just like stop caring and just let everything go, and it gets annoying and get on my nerves. And we have a lot of projects going on in the house, so things get piled up in the hallway, and I can't wait to be done with projects and just live our lives. So right now I have 2 bathrooms to clean, 2.5 bathrooms to clean, 5 bedrooms, and get started on laundry. And we have the living room, the kitchen, the dining room, including a half bath downstairs that we have to get clean before my husband gets home. And I have enough time to send the kids outside to play in the snow and enjoy the snow and just be kids. You know, I don't want them to stay in the house and clean all day, but at the same time I do need their help. So if you guys want you and motivation, stay tuned. But first we got to go downstairs and take out dinner. Chicken. Yep, we're gonna have chicken for dinner today. Maybe curry chicken. Maybe I'll do a cook with me curry chicken. But anyways, let's get cleaning, guys. So my first order of business is getting my water prep for my water fast, because that's important and I need to get that done. Today I am out of the jug water. I was supposed to pick that up on my way to drop the kids off, but they didn't have school today because of the snow, so I'm using the bottled water. And I know that I go through 4 Starbucks cup worth of water for the day, so I know that equals out to about a gallon. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't know how much of these little bottled water I'm gonna go through, because my husband uses these for work, so I don't want to use too many of them, because you know, Mommy, I want to be considerate and think about him. So that's my first order of business. So after getting my water prep for my fast, I have to go ahead and put on something for the toddler to watch, just to entertain her, because she tends to get bored and get into stuff when I'm not looking. And yeah, she's a firecracker, and she loves watching Barbie Dream House on YouTube, so I had to put that on for her. After that, I go upstairs to get situated with the laundry, and then I held a meeting in the hallway, you know, telling the kids what we needed to do and which room we were tackling first. And they helped. They were a big help. I love my children. They are well behaved, well mannered, and they take instruction very well. They're very helpful, very kind, very loving, and I couldn't ask for better children, because a lot of people always ask me, how do you do it with 5 children? And I'm looking at them strange, because I'm just like, I enjoy every single one of my children. None of them are hard to deal with. And I mean, I do have Jordan, who's artistic, but we have trained him since he was a young boy how to operate within our home and within our family. So it's not hard for him to do what is expected of him. Yes, he gets into stuff, and yes, you have to redirect him, and yes, you have to guide him a little bit more, but he's still not a handful to deal with. And You know, I'm not struggling over here with 5 children. I enjoy all 5 of my children because they're well mannered and well behaved, and I don't know. That's all I have to say. Okay, so we have laundry sorted. Our first load is down. We have, watch out, Jordan. What's this stuff on the floor? Pick that up. Pick that up because we need to sweep out the laundry room. Sweep. We have whites. Get that Target bag out of there. That's not where it goes. We have whites over there. Then where Destiny is, we have underwear and socks. What is this? We have more trash right here. That's all the trash that's going downstairs. We have all the shirts. This is a shirt, guys. Come on. We have all the bottoms. Excuse me, Jordan. All the bottoms right here. We have sheets, towels, and then we have whites right here. And then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have them put the stuff in the laundry. Okay guys, so the kids were tired, so we're gonna do a 1-hour challenge and then let them go outside, and whatever don't get done in that hour, I'll just do it myself. But we're gonna do 1-hour challenge with all the babies so that they can be done and they can go outside. So let's start the timer. 1 hour, 60 minutes, and see how far these babies can get done. So let's go.
No, it's 1 hour. 1 hour and 0 seconds.
All right, it started. Let's go, people. So Destiny underwear drawer is not closing, so we gotta fix this. So hold on. Back up a little. You can back up a little.
Yay.
Perfect. What do you have on? Let me see. Turn around. Oh, you get your American Girl. All right. You get it, girl.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no,
So the babies are outside enjoying the snow, and I'm standing by the door making sure that they're okay. I still have the downstairs to clean, but I figured I'll just let them go out there and enjoy it before it all melts away. So I just love watching them enjoying their backyard and what my husband has worked so hard to provide them with. So precious. Did you enjoy it? Are you cold?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have another layer. Like, right.
Take your boots off. Take your boots off. Sit and take your boots off. Let's take them off. Oh, we need snow boots, but whatever. All right, stand up. Take it off. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
With hope and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be, but our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about, Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me. 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 You know every
Okay guys, so we are at the end of the video. Oh my gosh, I didn't think I would get to this stage where I'm showing you guys the complete process. I want to say a big shout out to my children for helping me clean up the house today. They were a godsend, and it's important for us as parents to show our children how to take care of their environment. It's not really good for you to do everything for them. They need to learn how to do things for themselves. So I like to incorporate my children in cleaning. That way they learn from a young age that their environment needs to be clean, and they can't get older and say, Mommy never taught me, because that would be a lie. With all of that said, comment down below which other videos you guys would like to see from us. What are your favorite thing to watch while you're cleaning? What gives you motivation? And yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.